how nice is this room set up. Look at the pretty flowers and this little display because it's for Mother's Day actually. So Shah has set me up here with some of the new collection, which by the time this video goes live would have just launched officially worldwide. So here are some of the pieces. She also set up some of the high jewelry that they have. So their jewelry is like 18 karat gold. Okay, so this is the Boët Chapeau Supple, so the softer version. This is cute. Reverse mono, it's got the Vachetta tag, and this is the back. So I'll be showing you all prices, guys. So there you go, 3.6. And this is the belt bag. And I don't know the price of this one. And let's move on to this. This is brand new as well. I love this trunk clutch so much. You guys know I already have this in the reverse, but this is the denim range. So it's mixed with denim, with this sort of leather trim, and that's the back. And that is the price of the trunk clutch in denim. This is the Dauphine in the small size. This is also part of their denim collection, but it's got the forest green trim and the gold hardware. That is the price of that. And also this is the medium size. I actually really like the medium size. I probably like the last collection a little bit better, but I do like this as well. And does this have the price? Yes, here we go. So that is the price of that one. So guys, this is the Speedy 30 in the giant monogram. What do you guys think? I'm not usually a Speedy girl, but I do like the look of this bag. First impressions, I have to tell you that this canvas feels a lot thinner. I love the design, but see how it's like very like squishy? Like I don't own a 30, but my 25 is not like this. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to let you guys know. What do you think? I love the combination though. I love the dark brown and the reverse, and that's what it looks like on the shoulder. So adjustable strap. And this is the Boët Chapeau hat box, the hard version. This is in the Liberty fabric. Have to admit, this is not a favorite of mine. I wish I bought the reverse monogram. Yeah, so it's 6,400, so very pricey. I love the shape, just not a fan of this Liberty. I do think this is cute though, which is the Khan bag. You guys know I have a vintage version, so the Khan in the giant monogram, so that's 3.6. Yeah, I think this one is really cute. Let's go try it. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I do really like this bag, but because I have the vintage version, not sure if I would get this, but this does come with a shoulder strap, which the vintage version doesn't come with a shoulder strap. And this is the Alma BB in the denim. So if you like denim bags, not sure about this combo, but I'm a fan of the Alma BB. You guys know I own one. And then this is a very interesting one. What it's called? Is it on the bag? Yes. It is the Tupi Liberty in Noir, but it doesn't have a price, guys. So I'm not sure on the price of that. Certainly very, very different. I'm gonna go try it on. It's definitely a novelty bag. Okay, not for me, but for a collector, maybe. Looks kind of like a spaceship, but you know, some people could like it, just not quite my style. So this is what the supple looks like, the boette chapeau. Supple, the supple version. So that is actually really cute. I can understand why this style has performed really well in the, in the past season smaller monogram, but in the large monogram, I think it is quite adorable too. What do you guys think? Here you go, guys. This is what the Dauphine looks like on me. Personally, I quite like the medium because I love this extra chain detail. And then crossbody, it looks really good as well. But I don't know if the black trim is a little bit overpowering. I think I still prefer last season's one, which was definitely more like the vintage version from years ago. So that is the medium. And there is tons of room inside. Let me just open it up to show you. And then you just lift it open. And compartment wise, it's going to be hard to see, but there is so much space. So micro suede lining, another compartment, zipper compartment. Yeah, sort of accordion style storage, very similar to the Matisse. And this is the mini Dauphine. Oh, the light. So this is in the, as I said, the denim version. This size is a lot cuter though. It still fits quite a bit as well. Let me open it up for you. So 2 compartments as well, but it just doesn't have the zipper compartment, but still plenty of space. Yeah, it's just that I own the Pochette Matisse, so I feel like the construction wise and look wise, it may be a little bit similar, but still a really good bag, I think, nonetheless. I was speaking to Shah, my essay here, so LV, Chadstone team, amazing. And they did really well, both the mini and the medium last season. Guys, how cute is this Nano Speedy? Oh my goodness. It's so hard to get the Nano Speedy now. Also the Nano Noé, the reverse Pochette Matisse, what else? The Mini Palm Springs. Can you imagine Miss S and I twinning with our Speedies? Too cute. For you jewelry lovers, I just wanted to show you the high jewelry range from LV. This is called the Color Blossom. It's very, very pretty. So this is in like a pink gold, very subtle. And so it's got diamonds and then the mother of pearl. So it would go with a lot. But then if you want something just simplistic, I think this is very, very sweet. It's got the bracelet, just studs, and then also the ring. So just thought I would show you guys that as well. Here is some of the menswear. I always promise my guy viewers I'll show some menswear. These are the tracksuits. What is this range? I'm not as familiar with the guys range, to be honest. But this is the latest collection. Just to show you guys. Monogram denim. I don't even know what this collection is called, but I will leave it here because I will look it up. And then what else do they have? This jumper's cool. I quite like this jumper. How much is this? Does it have it? 1530. So what does it say? Full monogram jumper. Okay, it doesn't say that much. And I believe those are new shoes as well. This is a really nice classic bomber. Yeah, this is just the old collection, which I have shown you before already. So let me just have a quick walk around. Some of the classic boots for men, loafers, nothing hugely new. I've shown these shoes before. Yeah, these are very full on. Some of the women's runners, just quickly. The slippers. Some more runners. Sorry about the light, guys. Oh, these are new. Look at these platforms. Some of the sandals. These are nice, very classic. Just want to show you that. That's quite new as well in the season. And just a couple of the bags they have.